Got one of my favorites on the table today. This is the Husqvarna 123. I also like the 223 and really like the 323. These are a super solid trimmer. There's still quite a bit of them out in circulation. This one came in leaking fuel, nasty, needs a good service, so let's jump into it. These are easy to work on as well. Air filter is completely disintegrated. We're gonna go wash this one up and then we'll come back in and replace all the fuel lines on it. We'll go ahead and remove the carb. Primer's busted as well. See the fuel lines and grommets are just falling to pieces. Definitely in need of a service. Alright, we got her broke down. Let's go get it washed and we'll come back in and get this thing tuned up. Alright, nice and clean. Clean as we could get it anyway. A lot better than it was, except for this exhaust. You see all this sticky goo on this thing? That stuff does not pressure wash off because it's like carbon. Honestly, it's like bong resin. You have to eat it off of there with gasoline or burn it off. So I'm about to show you how I burn them off. It'll make your unit run a lot better if you get the carbon out of this exhaust. Make sure the intake ports, the exhaust port's not clogged with carbon. That was nice and clear. So what we'll do is take this over to the vise and get our torch. You can do it with a little propane torch like this one. I just like to do it with the acetylene because it's a lot faster. And we'll get her good and hot. See the fire coming out of it in a minute. See how the fire quit flaming up? So that means it's completely burned out, clean now. Need a hose reel for this thing. Now you just grab a hold of it. Just kidding. It's a lot lighter now. Looks like a new one. You may want to let it air dry. I mean, cool off by the air, but I'm in a hurry, so. Nice and clean.
Hey, you know what hand dropping this is about?
The owner of it,
I can't read.
Neil Dawson,
Neil Dawson.
3 of 3. He's got a cup get that lawnmower too. All right, hold on just a second. There you go, brand new muffler. Now we can finish the rest of the repair. All right, I got us a few parts here. We'll go ahead and assemble the tank out here. Pop in my new grommets. I'm out of my normal line that I use, so I'm using some Husqvarna pre-made lines.
You also have a chance to be the WSFL Workforce Whacker of the Week and earn yourself a pair of Jaggers combo meals and a WSFL t-shirt.
These are good lines, they're just expensive. Thank you. All right, appreciate it.
Don't miss your chance to get a new 2026 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4x4 for $643 a month, or new 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4 approved credit Ram 39-month lease with 12,000 miles a year. Jeep 84 months at 5.25% APR. Visit us around Commercial Jeep Ram, Highway 17 in Jacksonville.
When this is a crackling campfire, there's no cause for concern. But when it's the sound of your cabinet and restoration, independently owned and operated.
Have you ever considered a career as a public power line worker?
Got some trash in there.
Power line workers use a variety of special to build a locally owned and operated electric system. As a public power line worker, you can expect a career that allows you to rock live here. Right here, baby.
You want this one up?
Now you can go ahead and turn it in. Looks like a totally different trimmer when it's all clean. See if there's any life in it. Looks like something's leaking. I got a feeling I know where it's coming from. I should have checked it while I had it off, but you see it. Fuel dripping out of the intake. That's because the carburetor is not sealed. The needle valve hung open, probably from a hard diaphragm or just a worn out carburetor. Should have just checked it while I had it off, but I thought I was gonna get lucky. We'll put our pressure gauge on it and I'll show you that it's leaking. Oh, that's vacuum. See it pushing right out of there. The diaphragm's hard. It's still leaking with the diaphragm out. So we're just gonna put a carburetor on it. None more than these cost, they're pretty cheap. So let me go grab one. All right, let's get her put on.
WSF LESC's Carburetor Community College Foundation bringing Great White to Morehead City coming up Friday, May the 8th. Doors will be at 5:30 and the show starts at the Crystal Coast Civic Center on the 4th. Community College for the celebration on the staff. Tickets are on sale now. Proceeds benefit the students and programs of the school. Who will have music and food trucks. Includes a tour of refreshments and soda, water, and beer available for purchase. You get the details. Buy your tickets now at WSFL.com.
Primed up. No leaks. Sheesh. Alrighty, got the engine done, fixed up. Now we'll go down here to the business end. Make sure this is ready for them to use when they pick it up.
Are you gonna get us to the model?
Yeah, hold on.
I believe it's blue up.
Give me just a second, I'll help you out with it.
Faded tattoos and ringing in your ears. Rock and roll has served you well, huh? What?
You'd be very, very quiet, okay?
What did you say? 106.
There you go, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all keep wrenching.